Hi everyone, today I have a folio to share, and I use this Meet Me in Paris paper collection. It's from DCWV. This is my favorite paper collection of any paper stacks that I've seen. So it has a lot of pink, flowers, black and white, and I just love this paper collection. So this is the photo folio that I did. This is a Paris theme folio. So during the summer I went on vacation to Paris, and it was so exciting and I just loved it. And I made this photo folio for Rosa Kelly, and I know Rosa Kelly just loves Paris, that I decided to make this for her as her birthday gift. And it says Happy Paris Birthday. So I use these Recollection alphas. I like them because they have little pearls on each one. And I also use these Mambi alpha chips in black. This cut apart is from the collection, and so it's like this. And I used a tutorial from Rosa Kelly. I will link below the tutorial I used, but it's the one that she did for a dog's tail. So this cut apart, I backed it up with some gold foil, and then I backed it up with a pink sheet from the collection. Okay, so then we open it like this. Her original folio size was 8.5 by 6, but I made mine 9 by 7. So I made mine a little larger. So I made mine 1 inch wider and 1/2 inch taller. So then we open this side here, like this. This is a very beautiful Eiffel Tower paper. And originally she only did 1 flap here, but I included 2. And then this way, a cut apart from the collection, and it will open up. And then we have some page flips. And also, when she did hers, she only did the 2 sides here, but I included these 2 as well. And here in the center, we just have some pages opening. And I just love all the papers. And then we move to this side. And then here we have a waterfall. And this waterfall, I made it to accommodate 4 by 6 pictures. And then I just put this cut apart here. So now here in the center, we open like this, and we have a horizontal waterfall. And then it opens down. This beautiful Eiffel Tower paper again. And then at the bottom is just this sheet. And now we open the top, and it's just the same paper I have in the bottom. In the center, she has a pocket with a photo booklet. This is also a cut apart from the collection. And like this. So while I was on my trip to Paris, of course, you go on vacation and you want to buy souvenirs for people. So when I was buying souvenirs for my family members, I saw things, oh, I think Rosa would love to have this, you know, since I was there already. So let me show you some souvenirs that I brought for her. So I got her this purse. It's like a makeup bag. It says Paris. It has the beautiful girl and the Eiffel Tower. And then you open it like this, and then has black lining in the inside. So I got her that. And I also got her this for sleeping. And then this cute little purse for her coins. So I like this girl. You got the Eiffel Tower, you got the Arc of Triumph. And I got this 3D Eiffel Tower magnet. And I also have this other magnet. It kind of looks like stamp postage. And I got her this pen. It's pink. It says Paris, and it has like some stones here on the top. And I also have for her a keychain, and it says I love you Paris, and it has this really pretty white purse, a cute little Eiffel Tower, and then this tag charm, it says Paris. From the souvenir store, I have this bag where I'm going to put all these items in. And this Eiffel Tower scarf. Finally, I'm going to also send her this Meet Me in Paris DCW stack so she can make a Paris album of her own. I wanted to do this for her because Rosa is so sweet. She always does free tutorials for everyone, and she's very inspiring. And if you watch her channel, you can see that she's very hardworking and that she puts a lot of time into her work, and she does a lot of lovely craft projects. And so I will link you to her channel if you haven't been to her channel already. I was thinking that it's a happy birthday in Paris theme, so she can use this folio when she goes to Paris on her birthday. That would be great. Or she can also use this folio to put pictures of a Paris birthday theme that she has here at home. Whichever way she decides to use this, I hope she enjoys it, and I hope she likes it. I also made this birthday card for her. This card measures 5 3/4 by 4.5. These papers are also from the collection, and I just wrote happy birthday here by hand, and I just backed it up with some pieces of cardstock there in the back. And in the back I have a pocket that I made, and then I added some extra journaling cards from the collection. So those will go in the back, and she can put them in the folio if she wishes. And then after I made the card, I wanted it to stand, but it wouldn't stand. It just kept falling. So I wanted to figure out a way to make it stand. So what I did was I added this extra piece. I glued it in the back before I added my pocket. And then I just added some rhinestones here. And that way the card can just stand like that. So I really like how that turned out, and it just gives it a little bit of bling at the front. It doesn't interfere with the card, and you can't see at all that it has a stand. So it looks really pretty like that. And then you can just fold it in and it's still flat. And then on the top here, I just added Paris with some stickers and then a piece of cardstock paper from the collection. So that's my card for her. So thank you everyone for watching, and I will see you in another video. Goodbye.